Welcome to my channel, DNA.12 Education. Hello students, welcome again to my channel, DNA.12 Education. Mathematics series, Angle in Geometric Figures, Part 1. This video presented by DNA.12 Education. Okay, something to remember about geometric in figures. Okay, the first is an isosceles triangle. Look at the diagram. Okay, this is the figure of the isosceles triangle. So what is the properties an isosceles triangle? First, angle CAB equal angle CBA. Once again, angle CAB equal to angle CBA. Here we are. Right? Next, an equilateral triangle. The properties of an equilateral triangle is angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C equal 60 degrees. That's the properties of the equilateral triangle. Angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C. And the number of angles is 60 degrees each. Next, a scalene triangle. A scalene triangle. What is the properties of a scalene triangle? Angle A is not equal to angle B and it's not equal to angle C. That's the properties of a scalene triangle. But generally, for all these triangles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal 180 degrees. So due to an equilateral triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal 180 degrees. So what about a scalene triangle? That's right. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal 180 degrees. Clear? So generally, the first something to remember for all the triangles is sum up of all the angles equal 180 degrees. Total number of angle is 180 degrees. Very right? Good. That's very easy to remember. Next, we go to the second something to remember. Something to remember again. The first is parallelogram. So what is the properties of parallelogram? Here we are. Right? The characteristic of the parallelogram, angle A equal to angle C, and angle B equal to angle D. So what does it mean? Angle A is here, like this. Let's say this one is alpha. So automatically, angle C is alpha. When we say angle B is gamma, so automatically angle D is gamma. Okay, so that's I want to give you an example. Let's say angle A is 60 degrees. So automatically angle C is 60 degrees. Easy, right? And let's say angle B is 120 degrees. Automatically, angle D is 180 degrees. Easy, right? So that's why angle A equal angle C and angle B equal angle D. That's the characteristic of the parallelogram. Do we have another characteristic? Of course. For parallelogram, AB is parallel to DC. Once again, AB is parallel to DC. Right? Very easy, right? And automatically, line AD is parallel to DC. Line AD is parallel to DC. Easy, right? Next, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal 360 degrees. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equal 360 degrees. Total number of all angles in one parallelogram equal 360 degrees. Very easy, right? Next, the another properties of parallelogram. Look at the figure on your screen. Yeah, diagonal BD separate two triangles. Triangles ABD and triangles BDC. Triangle ABD triangle BDC. And they are equal, right? Okay, so then, let's say this angle is n degrees. Automatically, this angle is n degrees too. Let's say this angle is x degrees. So automatically, this angle is x degrees too. Why? Because line AB and line BC are parallel each other. Line AB is parallel to line BC. So that's why angle N will be equal to angle N here. Then N and angle x degrees will be equal to x degrees. The concept is because line AB is parallel to line BC. Parallel to line BC. And line AD parallel to line BC. That's why, based on the angle properties, we'll find that that's the angle of Z concept, right? We call this angle Z. What is angle Z? The angle Z means two lines parallel each other will construct the same angle. Let's say here is 45 degrees. So automatically, we'll find here 45 degrees. Okay, we go to the next example. Angle N. We call this angle N. Let's say here is 60 degrees. So automatically, here is 60 degrees too. Okay, we call this angle Z and angle N. Angle Z and angle N. Very easy, right? That's the concept of the parallelogram. We call these properties of the parallelogram. Okay? When it follows the angle Z time or the angle N time, we'll find the angle will be equal. 45 degrees will be equal to 45 degrees here. 60 degrees will be equal to 60 degrees. Okay, that's the characteristic of the parallelogram. Okay, go to rhombus. Here we are. We call this rhombus ABCD. The characteristic of the rhombus is angle A will be equal to angle C. Angle A will be equal to angle C. And angle B will be equal to angle D. Angle B will be equal to angle D. That's the concept of the rhombus. Properties angle of rhombus. Okay, what's the next? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equal 360 degrees. Quadrilateral shape. Rhombus and parallelogram is quadrilateral shape. Next. Okay, let's say AC and BD intersect each other in one point. AC and BD are diagonals. AC is horizontal diagonal and BD is vertical diagonal. Right? And they intersect each other at one point. 90 degrees perpendicular. So what is the properties? Okay. Let's say this one is n degrees. So the rest will be n degrees. Automatically, for angle B, a half is n degrees, and the rest is n degrees. Right? So that's why we call this 2n, and these angles 2n. And they are equal. Next, what about angle A and C? Let's say this angle is x degrees, and this one is x degrees. Now we go to angle C. Same and equal. X degrees and x degrees. That's the properties of the rhombus. Angle A will be equal to angle C. Means 2x equal to 2x. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, I want to give you example to make sure everything's clear about rhombus. Okay? Okay, students. Let's say here is 50 degrees. 50 degrees. So here will be 50 degrees. So what about opposite angle here? Right. With the same number, it will be equal. 50 degrees and 50 degrees. So totally here is 100 degrees and this one 100 degrees. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, now we go to angle A. Angle A. Let's say angle A is 130 degrees. So X, it will be 65 degrees. And the next X is 65 degrees. So automatically here, angle C will be equal. So the number is 130 degrees totally. So X, the first X is 65 degrees because 130 divided by 2. And here is 65 degrees, same. So totally 130 degrees. Is it clear, everyone? Good. That's the properties of rhombus. Okay, students, to make sure everything is clear about this case, geometry in parallelogram and rhombus, for geometry, we are going to discuss several questions. Okay, here we are. Question 1. Okay. ABC is an isosceles triangle. ABC. AC equal to BC. Okay. Here. AC. Okay. Equal to BC here. Okay. So ABC is isosceles. Right? Next, AEC and BED are straight line. Okay, good. Find angle ABD. ABD. Okay, so how to solve this one? Okay, students, the information we got is AC and BED are straight line. Okay, AEC and BED are straight line. So what's the meaning of straight line? Straight lines mean total angle is, the total number of angles is 180 degrees. Okay. That's the concept of AC and BED are straight line. Okay, so then here is 78, right? Okay. And this one is straight line. Okay. So here is 180 minus 78 degrees. Right? We'll find 102 degrees. Okay, so we can write here 102 degrees. Right? Okay, now look at the triangle BEC. The triangle BEC. Here, BEC, right? BEC. Okay, so then the triangle BEC. B, E, C. B is 36 degrees. E, 102 degrees. And C is unknown, right? Unknown angle. This one. So by using the triangle's properties, angle C here, okay, equal 180 minus 36 degrees minus 102 degrees. Okay, we'll find 42 degrees. Okay, clear, right? 42 degrees. Clear one? Okay, now we'll copy this one, 42 degrees, and right here, 42 degrees, right? Very easy, right? Okay. Next, the next triangle is triangle BCA. Triangle BCA. Okay. Good. Right? BCA. B. Here is A. And this one C. BAC or ABC. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Right? So means, based on the information, BC and AC equal. BC and AC equal. Angle C is 42 degrees, right? 42 degrees. How do you know that 42 degrees? We got that information from here, right? 42 degrees. Is it right? It's one, right? 42. So that's why here is 42 degrees. Okay, now we're going to find angle B and angle A. Angle B equal angle A, because an isosceles triangle equals 180 minus 42 degrees divided by 2. Why divided by 2? Because here is x, this one is x, same, right? Okay, the reason why divided by 2 because angle B equal to angle A. So we'll find 69 degrees. Okay. Okay, angle B equal angle A 69 degrees. Is it clear to you? Okay, now go to the diagram. Students, angle B is 69 degrees. This one, right? (69 degrees). So this one, very easy to find, right? 69 minus 36. Right? So we'll find this angle is 33 degrees. Right? So the question is, find angle ABD. Angle ABD equal 33 degrees. Is it clear one? This one. ABD here. Right? So angle ABD is 33 degrees. Very easy, right? Okay, now we go to the next question. Question 2. Okay, look at the diagram. K, L, M, and T. Oh, okay. The question is, K element is parallelogram. K element is parallelogram. Okay. Okay, this one is parallelogram, right? K element, parallelogram. This one. Okay, this is the parallelogram. Is it right? Parallelogram. LOP, KON, PNM is straight line. Okay, straight line here, right? Good. Find angle LPM. LPM. Okay, very good. Okay, this is about parallelogram, right? Parallelogram. So what is the concept parallelogram? So very easy, right? 70 degrees for angle K. So automatically here is 70 degrees, right, everyone? Very easy, 70 degrees, right? Is it clear, one? Good. Next. So what about angle N? Angle N. Okay. Angle N equal angle L equal 360 degrees minus 70 degrees minus 70 degrees, right? Divided by 2. Okay. Divided by 2. Okay, this is a quadrilateral shape. Yeah, angle L, angle N, right? So 360 degrees minus 70 minus 70 divided by 2, we'll find 110 degrees. 110 degrees. So we can write here 110 degrees, and here is 110 degrees, right? Very easy, right? Okay, and next, what else? The question is angle LPM. LPM. Here, this one, angle PM. LPM. It's all right. Okay, that's very easy, right? This is straight line. Straight line. Very easy. Straight line. And this one. Straight line. This one is straight line. Is it? Very easy, right? Straight line. So automatically we'll find here. Here is, very good, 180 minus 120. And here is 180 minus 110. Is it? Okay. So what's the answer? So the answer is, here is 60 degrees, right? And here is 70 degrees. Very easy, right? Now go to triangle PON. PON. Okay. Triangle PON. PON. Okay, very easy, right? It is one. PON. Very easy, right, everyone? Okay, so what about the angles? Here is 60 degrees, right? And here is 70 degrees, right? And automatically here this question, right? So here is 180 minus 60 minus 70 degrees. We got 50 degrees. Okay? So the question is, what is angle LPM, right? Angle LPM, this one here. Angle LPM. LPM. Okay? LPM. Very easy, right? LPM. Okay? So the angle PM is this one, X. Is it? So angle LPM, okay, equal to angle OPN. We call that X. So the answer is 50 degrees. So angle LPM is 50 degrees. Very easy, right, everyone? Very easy. Okay, go to the next question. Question 3, everyone. Question 3. WXYZ is a rhombus. X, Y, WXYZ, rhombus. Okay, so this is the rhombus, right? This is the rhombus. Okay, rhombus here, this one. Okay, rhombus, this one, right? Rhombus, right? So what is the characteristic of rhombus? Very easy, right? That's the characteristic of rhombus. The characteristic of rhombus. The characteristic of rhombus is this one. Angle X will be equal to angle Z. Angle X will be equal to angle Z. And then here, this one, angle Y equal to angle W, right? That's the characteristic of rhombus. Okay, next. Okay, students, WXY is equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle. This one, right? Okay, WXY. Okay, good. So because of the information WXY is equilateral triangle, so the angle of X equal angle Y equal angle W, right, is 60 degrees. Okay, for the triangle WXY, right? So we can write here 60 degrees. This one is 60 degrees. One, right? But here, okay, and this one is 60 degrees. 60 degrees, right? Okay, now the concept of rhombus. The concept of rhombus. So automatically here is 60 degrees, right? 60 degrees here. And here is the rhombus, right? So here is it will be 60 degrees here. You just copy this one here is 60 degrees. And copy here 60 degrees. Okay, that's the characteristic of rhombus, right? Okay, good. Okay, done, right? So students, Here is 60 degrees. Right, 60 degrees. This one 60 degrees. So because of the straight line, this is a straight line, right? This is the straight line here. Look at here, this one straight line, right? Straight line. So we'll find here is 180 minus 60. 180 minus 60. So we'll find here 120 degrees, right? So we'll find here 120 degrees. Good. Okay, so that's very easy, right? Okay. Next. WSTZ is parallelogram. Yeah, this one, the information. One parallelogram here, right? Okay, look at the parallelogram WSTZ. Here is one, right? Okay, I want to bold the line to make it clear. One. Okay, this one, right? Parallelogram. Very easy, right? Okay, now we are going to find the unknown angle. So automatically here is 60 degrees, right? 60 degrees. One. 60 degrees. Copy here, 60 degrees. Okay, good. Okay, now we're going to find angle S. Angle S. Angle S. Now we're going to draw the parallelogram first. Okay. Right here. One. Okay, good. Right. So this one is W, this one Z, this one S, this one T, right? The information is, here is 60 degrees, right? Okay, I'll make it blue color. This one 60 degrees, all right? Good. And here is 60 degrees too. Opposite to 60 degrees, and here is 60 degrees. All right. So what about angle S? Okay, angle S is because of parallelogram is equilateral. Angle S equal angle Z. This one, right? Equal 360 minus 60 minus 60 divided by 2. Okay, divided by 2. Okay, so we'll find here is 120 degrees, right? Okay, 120 degrees. So here we can write here 120 degrees, right? And automatically here is 120 degrees too. 120 degrees too, right? That's the characteristic of parallelogram. So find angle YZT. YZT. Okay. The question is this one. Okay, that's the question. YZT, this one. Is it the other one? Okay. Focus to the diagram. This one. Here's the diagram. I want to copy here. I want to copy here. This one, right? So we'll find here that there is Z1, right? Z1. Sorry, ZY. Okay, right? Here is Y. Is it correct, everyone? The information is 60 degrees here. One, right? Yeah, 60 degrees here. Okay, but 120 degrees cover here. Okay, 120 degrees cover this angle. 120 degrees, right? You get it, everyone? Right? So we'll find YZT. Angle YZT equal 120 degrees minus 60 degrees. So angle YZT is 60 degrees. Done. Easy, right? Very easy, right? Okay, so that's the concept of the geometric angles. Yeah. So hopefully everything's clear. Okay. Thank you very much for watching my video. Good luck.